Hello everyone, my name is Megan from EMK Global.
I'm Askar Malik from EMK Global.
In order to help our international students, we are gonna have a video to answer frequently asked questions, which is asked in International Student in Australia group. Let's get started.
Yes.
So the first question from Smita Patil in the group. The student asked, I am an offshore student and my visa going to expire in August 2021. Shall I take a drop or reduce my study load? And due to border closed, I am worried about it. So what is your solution for this case?
Okay, in this case, as we can see that her visa will finish in August, so it's like a couple of months, So in this specific case, it's better to go with online study, as we know that all universities and institutes provide online study. So it's gonna help you to reduce your burden, like a study burden even in future, and still you are eligible to get 485 visa. So in this particular case, I suggest you to study online, even less subject, let's say 2 subjects instead of 4. So that's gonna be the better option.
How about the student who just get the visa and wanted to, drop or reduce study load? What's your suggestion?
Okay, in this case, it's a different than the previous one, because in this case, student got just like a new visa. So bachelor student have 3 years visa and master student have like a 2 years visa. So in this case, you have 2 options with you. You can get deferment, but you can't deferment like for unlimited time. So it should be a with reasonable time. Let's say you can skip 1 term, and after that, as I told, that you can go online course, so you can study instead of 4 subjects, just 2 subjects online. So it's gonna help you out to reduce your study, whenever you are in Australia. So the better option is to go with the online study, even just 2 subjects. And when you have like a chance to come to Australia, so these 2 or 4 subjects you finish gonna help you out to come over, and you have to study less subject, and still you are eligible to get like a post-study work visa or 485 visa.
Does it show that this student is a genuine student?
Yes, this is a plus point, when you study online, even when you are in your own country. So it means you are a genuine student, you don't want to waste your time and money. So it's definitely going to help you out, and government of Australia feel about you that you are a genuine student, So definitely it's going to help you out.
Thanks for your answer. Let's go to the second question. It is how to search course on college in Australia.
Okay, there's a different ways to search course and college or university in Australia. So it's a number one is like a traditional technology where you can Google it, but it's a specific way to search courses. A CRICOS website. So if you go to CRICOS website, you can see all courses available for international students and all like a universities and institute over there. So you can search the course you like, and you can see like how many institute offer that course for you. So that's the one way to search, but maybe as a student you don't know much about CRICOS. So the best option, if I am a student, so best for me is just go to some education consultant who know about like the courses, who know about the universities in Australia. So I can discuss my case, that what my preference. So they can suggest me some good uni, good course, and maybe sometimes they can give you like a good option, like a good type of scholarship available with the institutes, So that's a plus point.
Yeah. At the same time, a lot of students also contacted me after they received the offer letter, which applied by themselves, and they asked me, so what should I do next for my visa? And then when I assess their visa application, I see that their visa application is not good to apply for a visa. So how do you think about this? Like when you come to see a education consultant, does it save more time for the student later on then?
So as a student, we feel at the beginning that to get an offer is very easy. But for me, it's not that easy. When you apply to uni, because uni gonna definitely respond you back, and you feel that it's very good for me. But even you have an offer letter, you always have a conditional offer. You're not gonna get like a full offer straight away. So you have to provide lots of documents, and sometimes you get panic. I don't know what university asks you. they ask you specific wording like a GTE form or GTE documentation, you know. So as a student, you don't know what is GTE actually. So there are lots of documents involved in GTE, like your financial document, your bank statement, and if you have some experience, it's all, you know, related over there. So for me, it's best to go the person who know the process better, how to apply for offer and how to apply for a visa as well. So you're not gonna get panic, and you're gonna get like the best advice for you as well.
Yeah. At least from the first stage, you will know that whether I am eligible to apply for a course or for the visa or not. You know, otherwise you waste your time.
Yeah, sometimes honestly, this is another thing. You know, sometimes I got many inquiries. You know, some people are not eligible to get admission even in Australia, but they feel, oh, they can. So that's another problem for the student. You know, so if you go to a right person, that person will guide you, you know, if you are eligible to get admission or not. So that's one of the first process, you know, so you know very first day that if you can do the things or not.
Yeah, true. Okay, now we're gonna go to really popular questions in the group related to COVID-19 vaccine. So the first question gonna be, do I have to pay for the COVID-19 vaccines?
As per the official announcement from Health Department and Australian government as well, they announced everybody in Australia they're gonna get like a free vaccination, so they don't have to pay anything for this vaccination. It's absolutely free.
So which type of visa holders wouldn't be eligible for having COVID-19 vaccines?
So this time we see like there's a different types of visa holder in Australia. So except visitor visa holders, all other people, you know, are eligible to get vaccination. Even student visa holders, they can get vaccination. Student like people who are on 485 visa, they're gonna get refugees and even asylum seeker. So all these people, they're gonna get vaccination free from the government of Australia.
How will the COVID-19 vaccine be rolled out?
Still again, as part like the official announcement from Health Department, they roll out in a 5 different phases. So like it's like a depend on like the priority, you know, who need vaccination first. So in very first phase, all health workers, frontline health workers, people who work closely with quarantine, people who work in aged care and disability care, you know, the workers and the resident, they're gonna get vaccination at very first phase, and even including like the people who work with the Home Affairs and borders with Australia.
Thank you for your answer, Aska. I hope that our video answer most of the frequent asked questions, and hope you guys understand more about education or about the current situation of COVID-19 vaccines in Australia. If you have any question, please contact our pages, drop a message, or contact our consultant for more answer. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.